Hello and welcome to this special segment, part of our network-wide campaign, Cipla presents Win Overweight in partnership with India Today Group. And joining me today is Dr. Reema Kashiva, Director at the Center of Excellence for Diabetes and Obesity, whom I'm sure has great insights to share with us today on the matter. Thank you so much for your time, Dr. Reema. I have to start by asking you this. Why do you think more women than men in India have to fight the obesity battle, have to fight with overweight?
Obesity is definitely more prevalent among women, and the only reason for this is the hormonal changes. Women have estrogen and progesterone in their body, which have cyclic changes, like there are changes every month, which results in the menstrual cycle. Then there are changes at menopause, wherein estrogen is withdrawn from the body. So as the hormones changes, they have a different mechanism of working in the body, which causes a lot of changes like fluid retention, fat distribution in particular areas only. And all these things changes makes a woman more prone for having obesity. So there are other things in women which makes them more prone for accumulating fat. And these are changes like pregnancy. During pregnancy, there are different hormonal changes that are there that makes them weight gain, infertility, PCOD, mental problems like depression, anxiety, breast cancer in obese women is a little more as compared to non-obese female. Cervical cancer is also more common in obese females as compared to non-obese counterparts. Osteoarthritis is more common in obese females. So these are certain things which are more common in obese females versus non-obese females.
So Dr. Reema, for women who struggle to lose weight despite lifestyle changes, are there now medically supervised treatment options that can support long-term weight management?
Thank you very much for this question. Today we feel very good to practice in an era where we have medications to treat weight. As physicians, we already knew that obesity is a disease in the past, but we could never openly talk to patients because having talked about obesity, we have to offer a good treatment. We could never offer a good treatment in past except talking about the lifestyle changes like diet, exercise, stress management and all. But today we are living in an era of injections, and these injections are just given once in a week. It has got tremendously good and positive effects in losing weight.
So help me understand this. How does excess weight uniquely affect women's health?
Yes, excess weight uniquely affects women in giving them diseases which are otherwise not common in non-obese women. So in young females, it is the menstrual disturbance that is there. It is PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome we call, which is more common. As the woman advances in age, they end up with infertility, which is more common in obese women, which is not very much common in non-obese women. They also have other complications in the later part of their life, 45 plus, in the menopausal age group. All these hormonal disturbance affects a female life herself, and in totality, the entire family and the society gets affected by all these mental depressions, anxiety, and all these problems.
All right, we'll leave it there for the moment. Thank you so much for your time, doctor, and also for sharing all your valuable insights.